In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can delete your Epic Games account in 2021. Okay, so when you go to epicgames.com, you'll be on this page, and then you want to just log into your account that you want to delete. Then you can see your username at the top right of the screen. You just want to hover your mouse over that and then click on account. And then you just want to scroll all the way to the bottom, and then you can see it says delete account. It has some important information that you should read, but then the blue button says request account delete. Click on that. Now they've sent a security code to my email address associated with my Epic Games account, so I'll need to go ahead and enter in that code. So here's the email from Epic Games with the security code. I can click on that, and here's the code, so I'll just copy this, go back to Epic Games, enter in the security code, and then I'll click on confirm delete request, and you need to give a reason, so I'll just select something else, click on continue, or you can see an option there that says skip this. I'll just say something else, and then continue. And now it says you successfully entered an account deletion request, and the account will be deleted after 14 days. And you should get an email as well with the confirmation. So here it is right here, and you can read that same message. So if before 14 days you want to get your account back, all you would need to do is log in, and you'll be able to cancel your deletion request. So that is how you delete your Epic Games account in 2021. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.